Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first open your phone dialer, go to contacts, choose the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to and tap on info. Now select edit and click on this camera icon in the top of the list. And here you can either choose some picture from your gallery or you can grab a picture right now by tapping on camera. Let me choose something from my gallery, for example this one. And now customize the picture however you like. Tap on done then, click on save, and that's it, that will be all. From now on the picture is assigned and anytime your contact will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.